Hi, in this video I'll show you how to make some fun keychains using epoxy resin. Even if you've never worked with resin before, don't worry, you'll be just fine. Let's keep the long talk and get started right away. To protect my table, I'm using a reusable silicone mat. As usual, all the materials I used are from Shein. To make the base for the keychains, you'll need things like beads, rhinestones, buttons, or maybe dried flowers, small charms, and whatever else you think will look good in resin. Silicone molds, glitter, a small silicone measuring cup, and a mixing stick. I'm just using one from a sushi set. And of course, the epoxy resin itself. The main decoration for my keychains will be these meme cat stickers. I love them so much, they always make me laugh. First, I prep the stickers. I need to remove the white background. Honestly, the person from Shein could have saved some time with Photoshop. I still end up cutting everything out by hand. I also trimmed the eggplant sticker on top, so later I can fit the chain through it. Then I pour some glitter onto a glass surface. Yeah, the packaging wasn't great, so now I look like a sparkly fairy. But I finally got it open. I stick the glitter firmly onto the back of the sticker. The sticky side grabs it really well. Now I choose what to add into the resin. I think these white pearly pieces will look really nice. To be honest, I have no idea where else I could use them. Alright, time to mix the resin. Mine has to be mixed 1:1 with the hardener. I don't measure it too strictly, I just estimate how much I'll need to fill 2 molds halfway. We'll pour the second layer later, after the first one hardens. I mixed about 3 small spoons of each part and stirred for around 3 minutes. Important, always work in a well-ventilated room. Gloves and a respirator are a good idea, and don't forget to read the safety instructions for your specific resin. Now I pour the resin into the molds, filling them halfway. Then I gently rotate the mold so the resin spreads to the edges. Let it sit for at least 5 minutes, that's when air bubbles start to rise to the surface. If you pass over it with a lid measure lighter, the bubbles will pop. It's kind of fun to watch. Now I add in the stars, beads and other cute pieces. bit of sparkle, and then I place the sticker face down. That side will be the front. And now I wait for it to cure. Also, I cover it to protect it from cat fur. Yes, that's a real problem around here. After 6 hours, the resin is still a little soft, but solid enough for the next layer. I fill the mold all the way to the top. 24 hours later, time to demold. I really hope everything turned out well. And yes, I love how it looks. Here is the back and the thickness. But of course I didn't stop at just two. I decided to add little figures to the front using more resin. I also decided to make 2 keychains using green epoxy resin, and this time I placed the stickers on top. I sealed the stickers with another layer of resin. That's when I realized it's really important to use vinyl stickers, because paper ones absorb the resin and start to look messy. And finally, I decorated the keychains with some shiny flakes. I used the same flakes to decorate the other keychains as well. Now comes my favorite part, choosing the beads that will hang on the chain. I thread the chain through the hole in the charm, that way the piece won't slide around. Like in my fish keychain video, I add pins through each bead and make a loop on both ends. One of the beads connects the end of the chain to its main part. Then I test everything, adjust the positions, and when it looks just right, I close the loops. After all this, the silicone cup still has lots of hardened resin stuck inside. It's hard to clean, but here's the trick. Just press sticky tape inside the cup. All the dried resin bits stick to it and it cleans up super easily. here are all the keychains I made. Take a look. Thanks so much for watching. Try it yourself and don't forget to share your creations. See you next time, bye bye.